Hello everyone, my name is Satish Abdul. I am from Tulsiram Patel College of Engineering Technology, Nagpur, from B.Tech 5th Sem Civil Engineering. This is the topic of shape factor of circular section, and there is the equation, that is the calculated shape factor of circular section having diameter 50 meter. And this is the given circular section, that is the diameter is 50 centimeter. And here is there is a shape factor of Zp and Jd, that is Zp is the modulus of plastic and Zt is modulus of elastic. This is therefore Zp is equal to a by 2 in bracket y1 bar plus y2 bar is equal to pi by 4 into d square upon 2 in bracket 4r upon 3 pi plus 4r upon 3 pi is equal to pi by 4 into 50 square upon 2 in bracket 4 into 50 upon 2 upon 3 pi plus 4 into 50 upon 2 50 into 2 upon 3 pi. There is Zp is 20833.3. Now finding Zt is equal to I by y is equal to pi by 64 into d raised to power 4 upon d by 2 is equal to pi by 64 into 50 raised to power 4 upon 50 by 2. Now Jd is 1.1227.8. Now the shape factor of circular section is Zp upon Jd is equal to 20833.3 upon 12271.8. The final is shear factor is 1.69. Thank you.